Hey everybody, welcome back to TechSphere, where we bring you the future, today. And today, we're going to talk about the AI robots you can actually buy in 2025. So let's get started. In 2025, you can actually buy robots that walk, clean, talk, and even help you with daily tasks. AI robots aren't just science fiction anymore. They're becoming a part of our everyday lives. Let's take a look at some of the amazing AI robots you can buy in 2025. 1. Home cleaning robots. These aren't your grandma's vacuums. The latest AI cleaners map your entire home, avoid obstacles, and even empty themselves automatically. Some models now mop, scrub, and even respond to your voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. 2. AI companions. These robots aren't just toys. They can hold real conversations, recognize faces, and provide emotional support. Some are designed for kids, while others are designed for seniors who need a friendly reminder to take their medicine or just a bit of company. Imagine having your own digital friend at home. 3. Social and personal assistant robots. These robots can schedule your appointments, control your smart home, deliver reminders, and even help manage work tasks. Think of it like Alexa or Siri, but with a physical presence that interacts in real time. 4. Specialty robots. In 2025, you can buy robots that can help you cook meals, care for your pets while you're away, deliver items inside your home, or even entertain your guests. The possibilities are endless as robotics gets smarter and more affordable. So there you have it, folks. The future is here, and it's full of amazing AI robots that can help make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Which one of these would you buy in 2025? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who love futuristic tech. This is TechSphere, bringing you the future, today. See you next time.